Good morning students, myself Mridula from Springfields Public School. Let's continue with our topic. Now the last topic of your chapter, accounting equation, I have written few formulas. Just have a look. First formula that we have discussed in our accounting equation, that assets is equal to liability plus capital. The second formula is how to calculate profit, closing capital minus opening capital. And the third formula is closing capital is equal to how to calculate the closing capital, opening capital plus net profit plus additional capital minus drawings. Now what are these closing capital, opening capital? Just listen this concept clearly, then this formula will be clear to you. So firstly, opening capital. Opening capital means the money introduced by the businessman into the business in the starting. Suppose on 1st April, a businessman starts his business by investing rupees 10 lakh into the business. So this will be the opening capital on 1st April. Suppose 2011, the money introduced by the businessman. This is the opening capital, rupees 10 lakh. Businessman A has introduced into the business. Now during the year, he has further introduced rupees 2 lakh, further or additional capital. 2 lakh he further introduced. So what will be the total capital? 12 lakh. This is the additional capital he has introduced. Now on 31st March, when he just settled his account, he got a profit of rupees 1 lakh. He earned a profit of 1 lakh. So that belongs to the proprietor. So it will be added up here. Profit 1 lakh. It comes to 13 lakh. Now after that, during that particular year, that comes from 1st April 2011. It starts from 1st April and it ends on 31st March 2012. And he just withdraw cash for his personal use 50,000. So that will be treated as drawings. So it will reduce the capital. So I am going to deduct the drawings, 50,000. So at last we got 12 lakh 50,000. So this will be termed as closing capital. Closing capital means after all these adjustments at the last, it will be termed as closing capital. And opening capital means the money introduced by the businessman into the business. So this formula, closing capital is equal to, we have derived from this. Closing capital is equal to opening capital plus net profit plus additional capital minus drawings. So this formula comes from here. If in the same formula, we are going to leave these two things, additional capital and drawings, in दोनों को छोड़ दें, तो हमारा यही formula बन गया. क्योंकि ओपनिंग कैपिटल इधर आके माइनस हो गया. सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट प्रॉफिट, क्लोजिंग माइनस ओपनिंग कैपिटल. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टू क्वेश्चंस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th and 12th regarding to this. Firstly, question number 10. In question number 10th, we have been given capital and outside liabilities. And you are going to find out the total assets. How to calculate the simple formula? First formula we will apply. Assets is equal to liability plus capital. Just write down the values. Capital we are having 1,20,000. Outside liabilities we are having 20,000. So how many assets we are having? The value, it comes to 1,40,000. It will be our answer. These questions generally came in 1 mark. Okay, how to calculate capital, how to calculate the liability or the assets. The same formula we are going to use. Now I have taken question number 12th. In 12th question, it is written, Yogesh commenced his cloth business on 2011, 1st April, with a capital of 5 lakh. So this is our opening capital and a loan of 1 lakh. Loan means outside liability. From the Citibank. On 31st March, his assets were 8 lakh. 8 lakh assets हैं. Find out the closing capital and the profit earned. हमें दो चीजें कैलकुलेट करनी है. अब इस क्वेश्चन में again the same formula I am using. Firstly, we will calculate the closing capital. Assets is equal to liability plus capital. Assets have been given 8 lakh and the liabilities 1 lakh. This is our closing capital. So it will be deducted 8 lakh minus 1 lakh is equal to closing capital. तो क्लोजिंग कैपिटल मेरा आ गया 7 लाख. उसके बाद हमें प्रॉफिट भी कैलकुलेट करना है. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट प्रॉफिट? नाउ दिस फॉर्मूला विल अप्लाई क्लोजिंग माइनस ओपनिंग कैपिटल, बिकॉज ओपनिंग कैपिटल इज ऑल्सो गिवन टू अस. क्लोजिंग कैपिटल माइनस ओपनिंग कैपिटल, 7 lakh minus 5 lakh, 2 lakh. It will be our answer. In the second part, we are having two parts in this. If it is written, if the proprietor has introduced a fresh capital of 40,000, यानी proprietor ने 40,000 additional capital introduce करा and withdrawn 10,000 drawings करी, तो calculate the profit again. अब हमें profit दोबारा calculate करना है और ये दो चीजों को consider करते हुए, तो हम कौन सा formula लगाएंगे? Third. Whenever additional capital and drawings are given, we are going to use this formula. So closing capital is equal to opening capital plus net profit plus additional capital minus drawings. Here we are going to fulfill our values. Here closing capital we have already find out 7 lakh. Opening capital we know it is 5 lakh. Net profit we are going to calculate. Additional capital has been introduced 40,000 and drawings are 10,000. 7 lakh is equal to 5 lakh 40, 5 lakh 30,000 plus NP. So what will be the net profit? 7 lakh minus 5 lakh 30,000. It comes to 1 lakh 70,000. It will be our answer. So there are 4 questions only. 2 questions I have solved, 10th and 12th. 9th and 11th question I will give you in the assignment. So then this topic is complete. On Saturday and Sunday, you are going to solve all your examples so that all these topics that we have discussed, these will be clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.